In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an Elementor form to Google Sheets. This can be a powerful tool, allowing you to automatically send form data straight to a spreadsheet for easy tracking and management. So let's dive right in and show you how to set this up. First, you'll want to open up Google Sheets. You can start a new spreadsheet or use an existing one that you want the form data to populate. Once you're in Google Sheets, look towards the top menu and click on Extensions. From there, you'll want to navigate to Apps Script. This is where you'll be able to write scripts that extend the functionality of Sheets. Once you've opened Apps Script, you'll need to paste a script from whichever application or resource you're utilizing into the Apps Script editor. Make sure you have the correct script ready for this step. Paste your script into the editor and ensure it's correctly formatted to avoid any errors. Next, head over to the Settings option within Apps Script. Here, you'll be making sure that everything is correctly configured for your app's needs. After checking your settings, click on Web App. This setup is crucial as it will allow your form to interact with Google Sheets through a web interface. Now it's time to highlight specific sections or lines within your script that need attention. This could be sections where you need to enter specific information such as API keys or customize it according to your needs. Once done, give the necessary access permissions. This ensures your script works seamlessly and can collect and send data from your Elementor form to Google Sheets. To provide access, you'll need to set the app type to anyone. This allows everyone who fills out your form to have their entries correctly recorded into your Google Sheet without a hassle. After setting permissions, choose to deploy your project. Deployment is essentially making the current setup active and ready to use. When prompted, you need to authorize your deployment. This is a security measure provided by Google to ensure that your projects are safe to use. Go ahead and click Authorize and expect a few more steps for confirmation. You'll see two options: Advanced and Go to Untitled Project, Unsafe. Click on Advanced, then proceed by selecting Go to Untitled Project, Unsafe. Follow this by clicking Continue. This process is simply to confirm you trust the app you are authorizing. Finally, you will need to copy the provided URL from the deployment notification. This is the URL your Elementor form will use to send its data to Google Sheets. Once you've got that URL, you're ready to integrate it with your form. And that's it. Click on Done to finish the process. Now your Elementor form is successfully connected to Google Sheets, ensuring all form submissions are directly added to your spreadsheet for easy access and management. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful. Happy automating!